Hey, what's up? Welcome to the Blog with Ben YouTube channel. I'm glad you found me. My name's Ben Cummings, and I'm a blogger, entrepreneur, and teacher dedicated to helping people build, grow, and monetize their WordPress blogs in today's digital world. I created this channel so that you could have direct access to all of my blogging tutorials in one place. Here you'll find step-by-step videos about building a professional blog, growing your audience through email marketing, monetizing your blog with multiple revenue streams, and much, much more. And I'm always adding new videos each and every week, so be sure to subscribe. That way you can stay up to date with all the digital marketing tips and trends that are happening throughout the year. So with that being said, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.